Hey there, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a look at the Dabbsson DBS2300. A monster power station that's perfect for demanding applications. Is it worth the investment? Let's find out. The Dabbsson DBS2300 comes with a solid-state Life PO4 battery, providing a huge lifespan of 4,500 charges to 80%. Priced at $1,999, it offers a high power output and a large capacity, expandable to 8 kWh with additional batteries. Externally, the DBS2300 resembles other battery stations, featuring two side handles for easy transportation. It weighs 24.61 kilograms and measures 438 by 254 by 302 millimeters, making it quite portable for its size. The capacity of 2,330 watt-hours solid-state Life PO4 battery is 30% higher than most competitors, providing an impressive performance comparable to larger systems like the Blue AC500 Plus B300S home battery backup. It also boasts expandable capacity, allowing you to add extra DBS300B 3,000 watt-hours batteries, offering a total capacity of 8,330 watt-hours. The DBS2300 offers a range of outputs, including 3 USB-C ports, dual 5.2A USB, 1 fast charge port, 2 4A District of Columbia 5521 ports, a 10A car output, and a 30A Anderson output. At the end, you'll find 2 standard UK plugs, capable of delivering 2200W, suitable for powering most household appliances. Charging the DBS2300 is efficient, taking only 2 hours with a standard kettle LED. And it can also be charged with solar panels, accepting up to 800W of input power. The Dabbsson Smart app offers Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity, providing real-time information on battery status and power consumption. It even sends notifications, such as cable disconnection warnings. The Dabbsson DBS2300 is a powerful and expandable power station, offering an excellent option for those with demanding power needs. Its impressive capacity, high power output, and long-lasting battery make it stand out in the market. If you're looking for a reliable and efficient power station, the Dabbsson DBS2300 is definitely worth considering. However, for more modest needs, the EcoFlow Delta 2 at $999 may be a more suitable and budget-friendly option. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more tech reviews and recommendations. See you next time.